Welcome back. When you have an open project in the writing canvas, you're going to see on the right side menu that you have tools available to you. You can adjust the length of your document with the Adjust the Length tool. If you click on top of the tool, you'll see that what you can do is you can slide the tool up or down, which will adjust the length of the document. If you want to shorten the length, you can pull the arrow down. If you want to lengthen the document, you can raise it. Once you determine which you want to do, whether shorten or lengthen, what you're going to do is pull the lever. And what you can do is you'll see that you can pull the lever all the way to the top to the longest. You can pull it all the way down to the shortest. We're going to lengthen it as long as it can be. What we're going to do is click on the arrow and we're going to allow ChatGPT to lengthen the document. You're going to see on the left side that ChatGPT is going to tell you what it is doing and give you a record of all of the steps that it took inside of your document. On the right side, inside of the canvas, you're going to see ChatGPT rewriting your document in real time. And you're going to see that your document is then going to be getting longer for the content that you want it created. And you'll see that the document is now longer. On the left side in Canvas, ChatGPT has told you what it has done to the document. In this particular case, ChatGPT's message to us is that the text has been expanded by 75%. So you can adjust the length of the document by using the Adjust the Length tool here on the right side inside of ChatGPT Canvas. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.